Hello and welcome everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss something very important about CLAT 2020. As you all know, the examination has been conducted very good and this is the time we analyze the paper. So firstly we want to tell you something very important, and which some points I want to highlight for you all, which is very important if you are appearing in the examination. Okay, the exam consisted of fewer questions as per the changed pattern. The total time duration of the examination was 120 minutes and there was no sectional cutoff, making it more comfortable for the aspirants. As you all know, sectional cutoff is like a burden for the students who are appearing in the examination, but this time in CLAT 2020 there was no sectional cutoff. Okay, as the questions were passage based, few candidates struggled with lengthy passages. Time management was an issue for most candidates. As you all know, the paper was very lengthy because most of the questions were passage based, so you have to read the question very carefully and try to understand it while reading. Okay, because the length of the passage was very high, so you have to understand while reading the question, then only you will be able to answer the question in the given time. Okay, so the logical reasoning section was manageable, while the legal reasoning section had a fair share of lengthy questions. Okay, and the fifth one is the exam saw the maximum number of questions in legal reasoning and current affairs, while the quantitative section had a minimum number of questions. So let's begin with the next slide, and if we move further, we can have here number of questions from different sections. So first one is English language. If we go through English language, then there were 30 questions asked. Quant section, there were 15 questions. Current affairs and GK, there were 36 questions. Logical reasoning 30 and legal reasoning 39. So as I told you earlier in the highlights, so in this highlights you can easily understand the maximum number of questions from legal reasoning and current affairs. Okay, and quantitative section had the minimum number of questions. So you can easily understand from this slide or this table that maximum number of questions were asked from legal reasoning and current affairs. So let's move further. There were 150 questions. I want to announce something which is very important. If you want to prepare for CLAT 2021, then you can attend the classes in CLAT EDGE, which has actually two branches in Patna. First one is in Boring Road and the second one is in Kankarbagh. The contact detail will be given in the description box. So in this table we can understand the number of good attempts, okay, and level of difficulty and number of passages. So in this section, English language section, if you attempt 22 or plus questions, then it will be good attempts. In quant section, 5 plus as it was the difficult one. Okay, current affairs 15 plus. As we all know, 15 plus because the section was somehow difficult. Okay, and the logical reasoning section, if you attempt 25 plus, then it is a good attempt because the section was moderate, and in legal reasoning you have to attempt 20 plus, so that you will be having 87 plus questions as a good attempt. And because the paper was moderate in nature, and the number of passages, if you go through the passages, then in English language there were 6 passages and overall there were 29 passages in the question. As you all know that the question were passage based, so 29 number of passages in all the sections, including quant, current affairs, logical reasoning and legal reasoning. So I hope you all understood the paper and you like the video. Then if you like the video, then share it to your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.